today what we're doing is we're closing our basket. When we're closing our basket, we always want to look at the horizontal line. What we do is we take that horizontal line, you look at our vertical, and you fold your vertical stick into the second horizontal line. So you're folding over. And you push that reed into that second stick. It's going to create a pattern. See, I folded that over. I'm going to then flip it to the inside. I look where the horizontal line is. I'm going to then take that vertical reed and push it into the second horizontal line. So I take it and I push it into the second line. You can then keep repeating that pattern where it goes. Horizontal line on the outside, pushing it into the second line. And you lift up that horizontal line, and then horizontal line on the inside. So it repeats that pattern of outside, inside, outside, you have to lift up the line, and then inside. And pushing, it's a little bit more about brute force. You have to kind of push that reed into it. Repeating the patterns of outside and inside. Where you have the area where you stopped, you always look where that top reed is, and you fold towards where that reed is. This might be the one area where you go the same direction twice. So this one I went inside, because that was where that top reed stopped, and then I have this one, I go also inside. The area where your handle is, you're going to always go on the outside. So you look where that horizontal reed is. So fold over, find where that second horizontal reed is, and you push it down. Now, if you have any pieces that are maybe too small, you can always fold over at a diagonal to put it into the reed, but it's normally best to fold over at a vertical. But if you have to go into a horizontal, you can do that. But try to be consistent of whether you're going vertical or diagonal, pushing that reed into that second reed. So here's the handle piece. I then look where that horizontal reed is. I push it to the second. If I can't get it in the second, I can always go diagonal into this reed right here. When it's finished, it'll end up looking something like this, or when it's dried out, something like this. You've known you've done it right if that horizontal line is nice and closed in. If you're noticing when you're folding over that that horizontal line at the top is just popping out, then you've known you've done it wrong, because you're always folding over. So it ends up looking like everything's closed and in.